Okay, so number 5 says Carlson has saved $564 at the bank. He wants to save $2,030 for a trip to Alaska. What percent of his goal has been reached? So this is number 5. And so the setup is similar to what we just did. So 2030 times what percent equals 564. Now we'll divide both sides by 2030 and we get what percent equals 564 divided by 2030. When we can compute that and convert it to a percent, that's going to be 27.8%. 27.8%. Okay, number 6. Oh, I see. Number 6, listen. Number 6, I'll give you the, and go to page 130, and this has to do with absolute change and percentage change, and the answer is B, and we've done that on the other worksheet, so it's just a matter of plugging the right values into the formula. And for number 7, we've got another absolute difference and percent difference, and the structure for that is on page 132, and the answer is D. Please go over those and make sure you get those answers. Let me know if you don't. And then for number 8, this material is covered on page 136, and the answer is D. And see if you can reason that out, please. And for number 9, for number 9, the question is, the regular selling price of an item is $106. For a special year-end sale, the price is marked down 20%. So find the discount sale price. So if it's marked down 20%, then we're going to reduce the full price by 20%, so we're only going to pay 80%. So 0.8 times the full price, which is $106, and 80% of that is going to be A, $84.80, $84.80. So say it was marked down 10%, then you'd multiply the original price by 1 minus 0.1, which would be, and give you 90%, or 0.9. If it was marked down 25%, you'd reduce 1, you'd subtract 25.25 from 1, and the new price would be 0.75 times what the original price was, you see. So let's do 10, and it says write as a fraction. So 55 and 5/9%. Well, first of all, 5 divided by 9, if you do long division, what you'll wind up getting is, 0.5 repeating. So this equals 55.5 repeating percent, which equals 0.555 repeating, which equals 0.5 repeating. I mean, we don't need those additional 5s there. So now we've got to write this as a fraction. So I'm going to let n equal 0.5 repeating. Now I could move that decimal over once if I multiply n by 10. So 10n equals 5.5 repeating. Now, let's subtract. And when we do, we get 5 here because the repeatings add out. And now what we get here is 9n. Solving for n, we get n equals 5 over 9. And we've written that value as a fraction. We're done.